Larger, more powerful, and with greater refinement, BMW's redesigned M2 Coupe enters its second generation for the 2023 model year. Its mission as an elemental driver's car hasn't changed, but it borrows heavily from the one-size-up M4 model to become an even better driving machine. The Mexican-made second-generation BMW M2 is rear-wheel drive only and starts at $63,195. Boldly flared fenders, accented by somewhat jarring ductwork, give the new M2 an aggressive stance. The new M2 currently comes in 5 colors, with the light Zontfort blue exclusive to the model. Additional hues are expected down the road. Powering the M2 is a slightly detuned version of the S58 twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six found in the grander M4 Coupe. In this application, it produces a stout 453 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-foot of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard, with an 8-speed automatic, replacing the previous 7-speed dual-clutch unit, as a no-cost option. The BMW curved display features a 12.3 inches digital instrument cluster and 14.9 inches central information display, giving you intense focus and peak performance. Intuitive and accessible tech lets you access standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility via BMW's iDrive 8 operating system. Quad exhaust both stands out in design and in its powerhouse sound. The M2 Coupe's wide rear stance envelops this feature, making your exit as strong as your entrance. The BMW M2 Coupe is equipped with an advanced operating system, seamless safety technology, and personalized infotainment options. The latest in comfort access technology lets you lock and unlock your BMW without having to take your key out of your pocket. With the My BMW app, you can stay updated on your BMW's status, tire pressure and fuel, and easily locate points of interest. From your app, you can also use the remote engine start, available on the M2 Coupe with the available 8-speed M Sport automatic transmission, to turn on the engine and heat or cool the cabin from your smartphone. Advanced real-time traffic information provides up-to-date traffic reports and accident alerts, streamlining your trip with live information. Stay entertained while on the road with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.